sea. This way and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go. You'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. Bird couldn't wait to show Ebb what she had found. Ebb only liked surprises if they tasted good. The surprise was a new boat. Bird went to inspect. Ebb waited and waited. Ebb! Hello. Hello. Can we have our bird back, please? Ein Vogel? Ah, you would like to see my bird. Your bird? Oh, that's Zoot. Ebb was not happy. Bird had spent all her time with that bunch of yellow feathers. Hello, Ebb. Oh, Ebb, you're not jealous, are you? We can all have more than one friend, silly. It's gone. Ebb had never seen Bird upset, ever, and she didn't like it one bit. Oh, Bird. Oh, yes! Well done, Ebb! Perfect! Shh. Things couldn't be